Hello everyone, and welcome to my new portfolio update video. Last week I couldn't make a new video because I was on vacation. So let's catch up and take a look at my current portfolio. Right now, my portfolio value is around $6,153 with 7% unrealized profit. That's quite a bit lower than last week because it's been a pretty tough week. Several of my stocks dropped significantly due to negative news and disappointing earnings reports. The biggest hit came from Upstart Holdings. Despite reporting strong second quarter results, Upstart stock fell 18 to 19% in the days following its earnings release. This wasn't because of poor headline numbers, but rather due to several investor concerns. 1. Increased loans on the balance sheet. 2. Reduced net interest income forecast. 3. Execution versus elevated expectations. 4. Volatility and sentiment. I believe the stock still has potential to rally and reach new highs, so I'm preparing some extra funds to invest more when the right opportunity comes. Now, high volatility like this is exactly why diversification is so important. Even though I'm in the market for long-term gains, big swings can influence your emotions and lead to bad decisions. Since I didn't add any funds last month, I decided to top up this month with $450 into my eToro account. I invested 2/3 into Costco because of its recent price discount and because I really like the company. The remaining 1/3 went into PayPal, which also had a nice dip, and with their ongoing innovations, I'm expecting a solid recovery in the coming months. Looking ahead, I plan to add funds more aggressively. I do have extra cash to invest, but I won't put it all in at once. With geopolitical tensions and the possibility of Trump's tariffs, the market could drop in the short term. So I want to keep some dry powder ready. Nobody knows exactly when or how things will play out, so I'll be adding gradually. And if we see bigger discounts, I'll increase my buying. In fact, some of the stocks on my watch list are already looking very attractive. I've also been rethinking my diversification and stock picking strategy. Right now, I hold 21 stocks in one ETF, which is time-consuming to track, and honestly, I feel like I'm losing efficiency. So I decided to split my portfolio. 50% into ETFs for broad diversification, 50% into my own stock picks, but reduce to just 5 to 10 stocks so I can focus more on them and hopefully maximize returns. For the ETF portion, I'm planning to choose 2 to 3 ETFs that aim to match the S&P 500's historical performance of around 10% annually. My goal with the stock picking half is to outperform the market, ideally targeting 50% annually. With ETFs covering me during periods of high volatility, I can stay focused on my strategy and go for bigger gains on my picks. That's it for today's update. If you'd like to follow my journey, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you'll get notified about new videos. If you enjoyed this one, please like it and leave me a comment with any questions or suggestions.